we're less than 24 hours away from the reveal of the 2026 Ram TRX. But this video is not about the Ram TRX because what have I told you? I've learned from my dear sources that a new Ram truck is coming in the next 45 days. And they told me it's going to be something that I will be personally very, very interested in. So I want to talk about this brand new truck that's coming from Ram and when exactly we might see it. And we're going to talk about that right now. Okay, I'm over 54,000 friends and 58% of you guys who watch these videos on a daily basis. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel because you're going to want to keep in touch with me because I'm going to be revealing to you guys some very interesting reveals over the next course of this year. Because 2026, I'm telling you guys, is going to be a banger of a year and we're going to see a ton of new stuff from Dodge, Ram. I'll probably cover some Jeep stuff. We'll see when a Chrysler actually does anything this year. But make sure you guys subscribe to the channel to keep up to the latest and greatest Mopar news. So let's get right into this video because like I told you guys in the intro, the 2026 Ram TRX is coming in the next 24 hours. That right there to me was the perfect Ram truck. I will go down with saying that that Ram TRX was by far my most favorite vehicle I've ever owned. And if you've never driven a TRX, you are not doing yourself any justice because that right there was the perfect truck in my eyes. I've never seen a vehicle that had the perfect combination of ruggedness, luxury, performance, the one of the best uses of the 6.2 liter supercharged Hemi V8 engine. I just love that truck from top to bottom and I miss it every single day that I've not had one in my garage. My only gripe I had with that truck was that it could not go 118 miles per hour. But other than that, it was basically the most perfect truck, I think, in my eyes, that Ram has ever made. And I cannot wait to see that reveal. But like I told you guys in the actual intro, this video right here is not about the new Ram TRX, but yet a new truck that Ram's coming out with that I've been told by my dear sources that's going to be something that I would be personally very, very interested in. If you guys have seen my videos, you know what type of trucks I am very interested in. I don't deal with hurricane trucks, so it's not gonna be like, oh my God, it's gonna be a brand new RHO, yada, yada, yada. I'm not interested in tradesman trucks. I'm not interested in plain Jane trucks. I'm not interested in what TK would call food stamp edition trucks. I want the best of the best of the best, sir.
Second Lieutenant Jake Jensen, West Point, graduate with honors. We're here because you're looking for the best of the best of the best, sir.
Your boy Captain America over here. The best of the best of the best, sir. Yeah, with honors. You know, he's just really excited and he has no clue why we're here. That's very funny to me.
Well, you get that from Men in Black, but I'm interested in those kind of trucks. So this new truck that's coming, I don't know exactly what it is, but I was personally told that it was something that I would be very interested in and it'd be the one that I would be willing to buy or I would buy. So from people who watch all my videos and stuff, you know there's only a handful of Ram trucks that I have been very, very, very interested in over the last, well, probably a year or two of making videos about this new regime that's taken over Stellantis after that idiot Costaveras has got thrown out on his butt cheeks. But but let's go and I'm gonna tell you guys the trucks that I've shown interest in over the past year. Now, one of the trucks I showed interest in was a V10 Ram 1500, which I'm pretty sure this truck might not be that, but that is one truck that I have shown interest in and seeing a new V10 Ram 1500. I've shown interest in the Ram TRX. As I told you guys, I probably made so many speculation videos about the Ram TRX, it just makes your head spin. But that Ram TRX is, like I said, my most favorite vehicle I've ever owned. And I am pretty sure that whatever this new truck is for the Ram TRX, I might actually buy one. It might cost a pretty penny, but I just cannot deny that I just love the Ram TRX. I still got my exhaust cutout kit and my remote sitting at my house because my TRX, a lot of people don't know, my TRX was the prototype truck for QTP's exhaust cutout kit for all the Ram TRXs. So another truck that I showed interest in was the Dude truck that came out last year. Well, not last year, but came out a few months ago for the actual SEMA. Now the Ram Dude truck, I love that truck so much because it was Sublime Green, and you guys know my D170, I love the color Sublime Green. It's one of my most favorite colors, and I hope that if Ram does come out with a Dude truck, they will come out with a Sublime Green version. I did love like the stripe package on that truck was cool. The blacked out grill, the blacked out tailgate and stuff. There was nothing really that needed to be done to the Dude truck to make it more better, other than just one thing and one thing only. I would have loved to see it with 392 Hemi in that truck, especially if this was a concept truck. I would have loved to see the 392 Hemi in there just to kind of throw a curveball to everybody. And from talking to dealer sources of mine, they were telling me the 392 for the Durango 392, for example, that's going to be available starting in around January, February of 2026. So with that coming available for the Durango and stuff, could Ram drop a 392 in the Dude truck and launch it as a reveal in the next 45 days? Who knows? We'll just have to wait and see. And then the last truck that I really shown interested in, which probably going to be something that interests me, because I need a new work vehicle. My daily driver is a 2004 Chevy Avalanche. So my truck has over like 150, 106,000 miles on and stuff. So I need a new daily vehicle, and a Ramcharger or Ram Rev, whichever vehicle they want to call this, is something that'd be very interesting to me because as you guys know, the Ram Rev now is the fully electric Ram truck that has a Pentastar engine in it as a generator that helps generate electric range for the actual truck. Now that truck to me is pretty cool because you better have over 600 miles of range. You better fill up hopefully with just regular 87 octane and get that kind of range in there. You can charge it up and have like I think like maybe 100 miles of EV only range in. But if you see like the new Grand Wagoneer hybrid version, that new truck, that basically is going to be the same drivetrain in the Ram Rev. So that to me personally is something I would love to actually buy for myself because I think they're going to probably be the best bang for your, well, I don't know, bang for your buck, which I wait to see how it costs. But I think that Ramcharger or Ram Rev, whatever they want to call it, is basically going to be a vehicle that I can use for a work purpose because I carry a lot of IT equipment with me and stuff, and I had to pay for fuel and stuff. So I think the Ram Rev is something that'd be personally interesting to me. So I don't know out of all those trucks, what's going to be the one that's going to be revealed in the next 45 days. But it's going to be something that I was told that I would be very interested in. So we just had to wait and see. But now the reason why I keep saying 45 days is because I know exactly when and I know exactly where this new truck is going to get revealed. But I'm not going to tell you that because I don't want to kiss and tell what my sources tell me because I don't want to reveal too much information to get my sources in trouble. So I will give you a hint that in 45 days, that's pretty much right around the time lovely events happen. And let's just say we all know that Ram has been showing commercials of them going through and having like Ram, let's say trucks in the NASCAR series. So let's just say right around that same time period, there's probably an event. And during that event, we could see a brand new Ram truck. Now, I'm not gonna tell you exactly what it is because honestly, I don't know exactly what Ram truck is gonna be. I just know it's gonna be something that I'll be personally very interested in, regardless if it's a single cab Ram 1500 or it's a Dude truck or it's a Ram Rev or it's a V10 truck. I don't know, but I do know something new is coming and they said it was something that I'd be wanting to buy. So like I told you guys earlier, if it's something that I want to buy, you know it's not a Hurricane, you know it's gonna have a Hemi in there, and you know it's gonna be pretty freaking cool. So I'm definitely gonna be keeping my antennas up for this. I'm gonna be digging behind the scenes to kind of, let's say, figure out exactly what truck this is, and I'll probably make more videos about that in the near future and stuff. But let me know what you guys think down in the comment section down below. What truck do you think this is that's coming in the next 45 days at a lovely event in February, which is my birthday month? So I'm gonna be very curious to see what it is. I'm gonna be looking through the comment section to see what guesses you guys think this truck's gonna be. And oh man, I cannot wait. I'm telling you guys, 2026 is gonna be the year where Ram, Dodge, maybe even Jeep, hell, if Chrysler get off the rear end, actually reveals something, 2026 is gonna be the year that we're gonna see a resurgence of some of the greatest, coolest freaking vehicles that we can put our hands on and spend our dollars on. But Let me know what you guys think down in the comment section down below, because I'm definitely very excited, because I don't know what it is, but if I got sources telling me there's something that I would freaking love to buy, it's gotta be good, because you guys know I don't have too much of an appetite for crappy trucks or trucks that have stupid engines in there. So I'm gonna be very curious to see what this truck is. But let me know what you guys think down in the comment section down below. If you want to check out the video that I made about the Ram TRX reveals happening in the next 24 hours, check out this video right here. And until the next time, I am out.